So I put down some mulch, and Party has been rolling in it. Oh, you like that stuff? Stinky. Better than snow, though, right? Oh, look at her. She's just having a grand old time. You're very funny. Yes, you are. Got any more tricks? Scouty was doing it, too. You want to lay on it, too? She's having so much fun. Look at me, here's your Buddha. Party, you're so funny. She's too funny. She's a happy girl. She's just so happy. Yes, she is. What do you think, Scout? Not as much cool as she thinks? Alright, we got more mulch to lay. Scouty says, oh, I can do this too. I will roll in this too. I like it. Oh. It's hard to roll on a hill, right? Straight downhill. It's tricky. Party's got the hang of it. She does. She's so funny. Look at you. Any classes, dude? Okay. I don't think so. That was not necessary. Goodness. Okay.